Hi friends, welcome to my video. So today I will talk about my Nexon EV charging. If you can see, my vehicle is parked outside and it's been raining heavily for last 4-5 days. So today I did charge my vehicle. This vehicle was charged with it was raining, so I will show you how I have charged this vehicle um, with rains continuing at my place at Mumbai. So let's move to that. I will quickly turn around. So if you can see here, what I have done is it's still raining. So I have a main out there inside my meter room, which I switched off for now. Now what I have done is I have packed this thing as suggested by someone in the EV group, and then this is anyways sealed up. And now here I haven't done anything much, but I am pretty sure water will not flow in as this is pretty much secure. But I will ensure that I will put a cover now going forward. So now what I'll do is I'll quickly go here. Here's my parking. So I quickly open the car. I'll take this key. This key is basically to open that thing, the charging box. I'll So sometimes it's really tight, but doesn't matter. Yeah. So now I'll just switch it off, switch the main off, and I'm done. Now I'll close it for a moment, and I think what I'll do is I'll go here. I will open the dicky. I'll take this wrap. This is a clean cloth that I'll use to disconnect my charger. So what I'll do is close this. Let's go here. I will put this here, wrap it very peacefully. What I'll do is I'll clean this thing up and then ensure that this thing is also clean. This gets dry. That is very important because this is the one that will go inside. And now that it is dry, we'll try and take it off. Just clean it a bit, and then again, to be on the safer side, cap it. Done. Now I'll quickly go in. Open the box here, put the gun here so that it keeps dry. See, there's a bit of water here, so yeah, I don't want any water to be here for the next time. Hence, this is taken care of. Now let's go here quickly, open this. Just close this. And now what I'll do is I'll quickly take this thing up and I'll put it here. Now my job is nearly done. as I've already. Now what I'll do is I'll keep the camera here. So now what I'm doing is basically I will ensure that this is dry. So I'll take this thing off completely, keep it aside, rub this thing well with my hand, and then ensure that the cap is also dry. So I'm drying the cap for now. So once the cap is dry, what I'll do is I'll clog it. This is now done. So my gun is now safe. Now I'll just try and drop it off. And I'll put this at its place, which is this box, and pack it up. And that's it. What I'm doing right now is basically so now charger is packed. I'll keep it at its place. The job is done. And that's it. I think I have done the job here for now. Now it is placed. The charger is done. Now it's time to close the boot. And then go here. And we're pretty much done here. The car is in good shape. I don't need to start it now, since I just have to lock the thing, the charger, and that's it, and I am done. I'm good to go.